Today I want to talk to you about putting an LED into a circuit. And when I've asked my students in the past to do this, they get a little bit confused about a few things, so I thought I would straighten it out today. So let's build a circuit. Just be a series circuit. And here is our LED. And there's our source. So if we were to hook, let's say use a 9-volt source, and my power pack has 500 milliamps, we would burn up the LED right away. So what we have to do to make an LED work in a circuit is we have to put a resistor in, and we have to calculate the resistance using the Ohm's law triangle. So we need to know a few things. First of all, we need to know our source voltage. So we have our source voltage, which is 9 volts. And now that we have that, we need to know the forward voltage of this diode. Now a diode is a very delicate little thing, doesn't use much power, and I have one right here I can show you. So there's our LED, and you can't tell what color they are by the white. Sometimes they're colored on the outside, sometimes they're not. So that's our LED that we want to put into this circuit. Now that being said, we have to look at the data sheet. I lost my pen there. We have to look at the data sheet and find out what the forward voltage of this LED is. And this one is 3.2 volts. So if I take my 9 volt source minus my 3.2, I think I get 5.8 volts. So I have my voltage. We also need to know the amperage of this LED, and that'll be on the data sheet as well. And typically an LED uses 24 milliamps. 24 milliamps. So if we turn that into amperage, we'll just move the decimal place 3 places. So it's 0.024. Ohm's law says E over IR. We have our I, it's 0.024. We have our E, it's 5.8. If we divide the resistance into the voltage, we get 0.242. No, we get 242 ohms. So 242 ohms of resistance will need to be placed into this circuit. We'll put the resistor in there. Now we know it doesn't matter if the resistor's here or there. Within a series circuit it works the same. So resistors come in all sizes. And you can see I've got several sizes here. And they are 100, 42, and I dropped one. And this one's 242. So the resistors, even so I don't have the proper resistors, I'm going to use the 242 and the 42, and I'm going to have 282 ohms of resistance. And I'm going to, since I don't have one that's the right size, I'll just put it over here. And I'm going to solder those in. So there's the 242, and there's the 42, which gives me about 284 ohms of resistance, which is going to be fine. My LED might just be a little bit dimmer, but I don't think we notice it. But we're not going to kill the LED. That's the advantage of this using resistors.